4 on the guided practice. This one we've got a cube root, so the first thing we need to do is isolate the roots. So we're going to do that by subtracting 1. So cube root of x equals, read the blue one, the blue sheet. So then to get rid of the cube root, we power up by 3. So cubing crosses off the cube rooting. And x equals 9 question mark?
No. 27.
27. So remember, folks, to be careful about that because it's really easy to make that little mistake. Plugging back in, the cube root of 27 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Boom. X equals 27 is indeed our correct answer. Now on the next one, we've got 2 square roots on opposite sides. They are both isolated, so I can go straight to square squaring. And that eliminates both square roots. So 3x plus 12 equals x plus 8. Subtract the x to get 2x. Subtract the 12 to get negative 4. And x is negative 2. Plugging back in. 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, plus 12 is 6. So square root of 6 is what we get on the left. And on the right, we get negative 2 plus 8 is 6. So we get the square root of 6 as well. So same thing on both sides. So our answer checks out. The formatting on this next one is not great. That second radical says v divided by 5. So similar to the last one, we can go ahead and square both sides. So 72 minus v equals v over 5. Now, your first reaction is probably gross. I don't like that fraction. What can we do about that fraction? Multiply by 5. So we're going to multiply this side by 5. And this entire side by 5. So let's see. 72 times 5 is 360. Minus 5v. Equals v. And now we want to get our v's on this side. I'm going to go ahead and add 5v. So a v plus 5v is 6v. Divide by 6. And v is 60. So plugging in over on the left to check the validity of our answer. 72 minus 60 is 12. So square root of 12. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So square root of 12. Same thing on both sides. Our answer checks out. So when you are solving the radicals, isolate the radical, power up by the index, and if you are solving those rational fractional exponent ones, you are powering up by the reciprocal power. So folks, that concludes the guided practice.